Here's Darby after throwing a temper tantrum because Mommy took something away and she's telling him to go so I can put up the gate. Darby, no. No, no, no. Stand up. There it is. There it is. Nope, the gate's up. End of discussion. There it is. The famous Sanders temper. He's angry. Watch out. Darby, you're okay. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.